Hello my friends. Welcome back to DG Friends channel. Let's get started very fast. At first drag the subject into the Photoshop. Then click on the lock. Click on Quick Selection tool. Click on Select Subject button. Correct any mistakes and complete the selection. If you use an older version of Photoshop, you should click on Quick Selection tool, then drag on the subject and select it yourself. Now press Ctrl N to make a new document. Put the dimensions on 1920 and 1080. Hit Create. Now click on Move Selection tool, and drag the selected subject to the new document. Resize the subject as you wish. Drag the background color into the Photoshop and hit Enter. Drag the subject layer above all other layers. Click on the splashed color layer. Resize and adjust it. Then drag the dropped black color into the Photoshop and hit Enter. Move it to the highest layer. Change blend mode to lighten. Resize and adjust this layer and hit Enter. Now, erase the unnecessary splashed color. Double-click on the subject layer. Activate Inner Shadow and double-click on it. Hit on the color sample and activate the eyedropper. Click on one of the colors around the subject and hit OK. Change the settings and be careful about the changes of the color. Put distance on 20, choke on 30, and size and 90. Now, activate Color Overlay. Double-click on it. Click on the color sample and use the eyedropper to take a sample from the colors around the subject. Click OK. Change blend mode to normal. Put opacity on 10, and click OK. And this is the final result. Thank you friends. Because we are newcomers, please do not forget to subscribe, like and hit the bell. Thanks for your support.